freezing in my own house. Look, I have socks, and then I have a fleece shirt, and then I have a sweater and a freaking thing because my electricity is turned off right now. Apparently, they needed to turn off the electricity because of high winds, which is a fire danger, when they should just fix the infrastructure of all of this stuff so that I can have heat in my house in the wintertime. Anyway, small business doesn't stop because electrical companies choose to turn your electricity off because of high winds. So we're gonna do a fun activity that doesn't require a computer because it already died. I was doing work on it. We're going to, let me place you here. And also my, that's not gonna work. Hold. Patience is a virtue. Let me grab the box, hold on. It's this. Okay, so part of business is figuring out how you're going to, let me take you down here because I'm gonna sit down here. Let's put you here. Okay, sorry, you're on a journey with me. Be patient, and I need to put a blanket on because it's freezing. Okay, so part of business is like figuring out how you're gonna ship stuff, and like the workbooks that I have are already in a box, as you've seen if you've ordered one. If not, they come in a very beautiful little box. I will show you another time. But for the planners, big news, by the way. I'm going to, towards the end of February, I'm gonna have all the equipment to do the printing in-house for my planners. I'm gonna be doing soft cover, wire O, or like the wire bound, which looks like this. Oh my God. Okay. So these, this is like a sample book. Anyway, those type of planners so that you can like, I'll just show you with this. Sorry, cold makes me weird. So you can flip it all the way around and write in it and color that way and whatnot. Fun, right? And then also disc bound planners. I really want to get it down to 2 types, but I need to figure out which 2 types sell best. Well, and also I have the PDFs, which I sold one today. Celebration! So glad about that. I woke up to that no, I was already awake. But anyway, happened and I was stoked. So the boxes that the planners need to go in that I can ship out in, I'm trying to figure out where to order those from. There's Uline, which is like, everybody's familiar with Uline. So I'm gonna cost compare, but then I came across a really fun option where you can like customize boxes, which is super cute. So let's open this together. I thought it'd be fun, a fun little quick video that we could do as a community. Oh my gosh, hold on, let me go get, hold on. Okay, there we go. I went and got this. I should have been more prepared, but this is an impromptu video because my electricity's off, as I said, and it's freezing. And they better turn it on soon because my animals are cold too. That's not cool, man. Freezing this out. Anywho, let's open this. Let's get to the fun stuff. Let's see what's in here. So apparently this business, which is, I didn't even tell you, BoxGenie.com. BoxGenie.com. So I ordered their box of boxes, like sample boxes. So let's check it out. Let me put you down here so that you can kind of see what's happening. Hopefully, there we go. Okay. So our first. This doesn't look like a box to me, but okay. Your VIP voucher awaits. 20% off. Oh, look at that. Look, if you want to use that, there you go. BoxGenie.com. VIP 20. No, this is not sponsored. I just wanted to see what their boxes were about. So, serif, sand. This is all the fonts, I guess, that they can do. Oh, there's backsides. Whatever. This is all of their scripts. This This is your passport to packaging, which is so funny. And I can't tell you why, but this is really this theme. Weird happenings. Anyway, more essential white. I don't understand why these are in here, but okay. Passport to packaging. Okay, now we get to the boxes. Oh, maybe this is the different type of box material. I see. This is like, oh, printed on craft. That's where it says it. Printed on craft. So this is a craft box. What is this? This is essential white. So that's like an essential white box, which I am kind of looking for a white box. This is magic white. What's the difference? Oh, this is definitely more, looks more like cardboard underneath the white. And this one, you can't really see the cardboard underneath the white. I don't know if you can tell. See, there we go in the sunlight. And then this one, can you kind of see that, like, you can kind of see the cardboard texture underneath. And then that, I think, was just the thing. Anyway, first cute little box. Look how tiny that is. It's adorbs. Shows you how they can print on the inside, the outside, and everything else. And this is on craft. So this is a meet your triangle mailer box in craft. Okay, so this is a triangle mailer. Excuse me, Roonies. I'm trying to make a video. Rooney Toonies. I know you get down. Excuse me. What do you think you're doing? What are you doing? You gotta go potty? In the middle of a video? You do? Okay, hold on. Okay, I'll be right back. Hold on. Just don't do an impromptu video without expecting disruptions, right? Okay. Let's get, yes, blanket equipped. Let's fold this together. That's cute. Okay. I don't think I've ever had a triangle box. Triangle box. This might be a boring video for some, but if you're a small business owner, I'm doing the research for you and me. We're doing it together. If this can help you, then by all means. It's helping me, so I don't know. If you guys have already used this place, okay. I don't even know how to fold this box. How are you supposed to? Wait, what the? Do you go like? I don't understand. I think it goes like this. And like, okay. Sorry. These are, oh, okay, I get it. And then you go like this. Oh, okay, I see. I'm getting the picture. You see it coming together? Cute. Okay, that's actually adorable. Not what I need per se for planners, because I don't plan on doing triangle planners. Wait, am I doing that wrong? Oh, do I have to fold? Okay. There we go. Down. Okay. Okay. Much better. There we go. That's pretty cute. Yeah. Adorable. I'm not going to need a triangle box, but super cute that they sent that and that they can print on it. If you're looking for a triangle box, this could be a good option for you. Scan the QR code. I don't know what it does, but there you go. Okay, next box. Ta-da! Looks like a regular box, or looks like it's going to be a regular box from the fold lines. Meet your modern mailer in a box. Magic white, semi-gloss. Pro tip, print your own QR codes for quick reordering. Oh, nice. So you can put a QR code on the box. So like, for instance, since I have monthly planners, I would put QR codes on the box so that people could reorder their monthly planners. I hear you, Roonies. I'll be right there. She's like, it's cold as heck out here. Let me in. I think these are laser cut, if I'm being honest. I think they are. Hold on, Miru. I hear you. Okay, I'll be right back. So box number 2 would definitely be probably like, I would just need like a basic box. These are cute because they're small. And I don't know if you guys have a fascination with small things. Look how stinking cute. You know what's funny about that? All my friends are smaller than me too, which is hilarious. They're all shorter than me. Most of them, I should say. That's hilarious. I do like small things. Great things come in small packages. But anyway, back to the planners. My planners will probably just need like a mailer box like that. Pretty basic and simple. Straightforward. Okay, next box is, last box also. What is this? This is Meet Your Classic Shipping Box in Essential White Matte. So this is the gloss. See that? Gloss. This is matte. I kind of like the matte actually. That's nice, very nice. Okay. So I'm assuming these are just kind of simple straight together boxes. Oh wait. Yeah. And then you would just tape one side and then do the same. Cute. That is pretty adorable as well. And you can print on all sides, including the bottom and the top. It's pretty cute. So essentially, so this is a shipping box. So if you're like shipping, this would be your pick if you're shipping stuff. I think this one would be the best for my planners. Obviously bigger than this because my planners are bigger than this. But because then what I can do is I can just get tape and put it here, and then I can put the shipping label on the top. I just have to figure out how much they are and if it's worth the cost to print with these guys. I got a quote from a manufacturer on Alibaba too. I guess you can look at my face. I got a quote from a manufacturer on Alibaba too, and I was like surprised at, because you have to do a minimum order quantity, and I just don't think that like I'm ready to commit to that yet, which is why I went through BoxGenie.com to see what they could do. But again, for my initial ones, like I don't need to be all fancy, although I am an all-in type of person, 100%. For my essential needs, look at the inside of this box. Sorry, it's distracting. That's actually really pretty too. BoxGenie really understand how to print on boxes. For my essential needs, I could probably just do Uline. But if it's not much more, so I'll get back to you on the cost, but if it's not much more to do like a print on a box, then I might just do that. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, well, have a good day. Stay warm in your own houses. Oh no, that's a sunlight. I thought that was a light in my kitchen on. Okay, stay warm. Bye.